I'm Yasmin and I'm from Melbourne, Victoria. I'm half Turkish and Filipino. My parents and my grandparents both migrated here. The Turkish and the Filipino culture is very similar in terms of values and family and self-respect and modesty, really. I was always confused with who I am and how I present myself in general, whether that's to my family and outside my family. Both my grandparents, on both sides, they both had a lot of struggles growing up. It was very different. So in Turkey, I got to see where my grandpa's from. So he's from Ankara and he was brought up in a village. So they didn't have a lot. So my Filipino side, my grandpa's from Bohol and my grandma's from Cebu. So I got to see what they were from, and same thing, they didn't really have a lot growing up. So it was a very, very simple life. But one thing in common is that they're just happy and grateful. So Tinikling, it involves 2 bamboo sticks, so you can have either a pair of 2 or 4 or more than that, just as long as you have 2 people on each side. So it's pretty much you're creating a rhythm with 2 bamboo sticks. And you'll have at least minimum of 2 dancers jumping in and out of the 2 sticks. So that was created by farmers in the 1500s when the Spanish invaded the Philippines. And the bamboo sticks, what it is, it resembles the torture that the Spanish king ordered. So if the farmers weren't doing as what they were told, they had to pretty much be tortured with 2 bamboo sticks by hitting their feet. Hence why you'll see the Filipinos jumping in and out, which resembles that torture. And it also resembles the birds that they had to protect the farm from, the Tinikling birds as well. So, and regardless of where the dance derived from, they just always want to be happy and celebrate the now. That's what I've noticed with Filipinos.